Hi everyone, this is the WayKen Rapid Manufacturing channel. I'm Stella. Today, I'm going to show you how we helped a sustainable personal care brand from Canada bring their high-pressure aluminum deodorant case to life, featuring multicolor anodizing and a silk finish. From prototype development to a low-volume production of 1,000 pieces, it only took us 25 days. Let's take a look at the machining process behind it. To achieve 5 different anodized finish: deep blue, sky blue, rose gold, gunmetal gray, and coral, the client specifically chose 6063 aluminum alloy, which offers better anodizing performance. This project had 2 main changes. First, some parts had very thin walls, which made them prone to deformation during machining. Second, the anodized color needed to exactly match the client's color samples, and the colors had to be consistent across different production batches. The client had struggled to find a partner who could solve this issue early on, which is why they came to us, hoping we could deliver high-quality parts within a short time frame. The slowest part to machine was the 6 small clips. They are tiny and delicate, so they can easily deform from cutting force. To keep the machining stable, we use a combination of turning and 4-axis milling, working step by step in different zones. For tooling, we keep small diameter end mills with moderate fluid length to keep the edges sharp and reduce cutting resistance. When programming the tool pad, we used a layered lighting cutting approach, starting from the base of the clips and moving toward the tips to minimize stress. For work holding, we designed customer fixtures that avoid putting pressure on the clips, using soft jaws or light clamping to hold the part firmly without causing deformation. Before starting production, we ran full toolpath simulation and did test cuts to make sure everything was spot on. We also checked dimension before and after anodizing to ensure the clips stay stable and fit perfectly during assembly. No looseness at all. Another challenge with this batch was the client's request to split 1,000 pieces into 5 different anodized colors. Before the full anodizing run, we made samples for approval. During production, every precise parameter, temperature, voltage, time, and solution concentration was strictly controlled and locked in. After anodizing, we performed random inspections on each batch, comparing the colors with the standard samples using the colorimeter. In the end, not only do we achieve clear and distinct color between different finish, but we also ensured consistent color quality across multiple batches. Whether it's industrial equipment, medical devices, automotive lighting, or electronic enclosures, WayKen offers high-quality, low-volume aluminum machining service tailored to your needs. If you are looking for a reliable part solution, we are here and ready to help. Just to reach out.